Hello and welcome everyone. In this video, we will briefly cover series plotting. The series object has a lot of built-in functionality and we can create plots using integration with Matplotlib. Pandas has a very good documentation on plotting, and if you click on this link, there are a lot of examples available here on this page, and we could also refer to the API and see more on plotting. So please do check these. For now, let's focus on the notebook and let's import some libraries. So here we need pandas, numpy, and matplotlib. And then we create these two series. Here we create a stacked bar plot with the nice legend on top. So another useful plot is histogram. For that, first we generate a dataset and then we create histograms and also display the kernel density estimation along with the histogram. So here the green bars are the histograms, whereas this orange curve is the kernel density estimation. We could also use the box plot, and all of these is, if you have noticed, that we can use the same plot method and all we need is to specify the kind. So here we are specifying it as a bar, and in this we could change it to a box plot. So let's try this. Here we see the box plot, and this is the median value. These are the quartiles. Endpoints are 1.5 times the interquartile ranges, and now we see some outliers in our data as well. So this was a brief, very brief overview on series plotting or plotting in pandas. Please do check the documentation for more details and other types of plots. Please continue watching and see you all in the next video.